Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. This is the last of the journals that I made with my antique Charles Dickens books, and you can refer to video number 1 where I talk about how I reinforced the spine to make it more solid, because in the original books, since they're quite old, the spine was pretty weak. And I did keep the fabric that was on the spine to reattach to make it look more authentic. And these are the original covers. I added this sheet that was inside the book, and it's a title sheet. It's Little Dorrit. Now, the company that made these books, or that published these books, closed shop in 1914, so these are quite old. It was a lot of fun to work with these. Now, this version of the journal has a ribbon tie, and it's the type that has a removable signature, so you see the elastic here on the sides. Let me just open this, and it also comes with this little bookmark that I made with a vintage earring. So I will take you through just to show you the images that were in the original book that I incorporated in here, like my last 3 journals. And basically it's a combination of scrapbook papers, writing papers, and I tea dyed some pages that I included in there. Here's a little pocket that you can tuck something in, and I've got 6 signatures in here, and you can see how my signatures pull out from the elastic, like so. So these aren't stitched. You can add your own pages as well inside the signatures, and there are 6 elastics that you can use to add some papers. So I will just go through it quickly to show you the images. The pages, like I said, with the images are quite old. They're over 100 years old, but they are in pretty good shape, nicely aged. I'll include a link to this journal in my Etsy shop in the description of the video, as well as the comments. And you can also refer to the first video that I mentioned earlier, and I'll include a link to that one as well in the description of the video. So have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.